Okay, our learning target, I can write an inequality in slope-intercept form. So I'm given an inequality of 2x plus 4y is less than 8, and I want to rewrite it so that it says y equals. So my first step is to take the x term and move it from the left side of the inequality to the right side of the inequality using subtraction. And I'm subtracting because the 2 in front of the x is positive. So that cancels. I bring down my 4y, I bring down my less than symbol, and I now have negative 2x plus 8. I need to get the 4 out of the front of the y. I need to undo 4 times y, so I'm going to divide. I divide every term by 4. So I divide by 4, divide by 4, and divide by 4. The 4's cancel. I keep the y. I bring down the less than sign. Negative 2 divided by 4 is negative 1/2. I keep my x, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. I now have my inequality in slope-intercept form. Let's try another one. This time I have a negative 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to negative 10. So because the 3x has a negative sign in front of it, I use the opposite and I add 3x to both sides. So the 3x's cancel. I keep my 2y, I keep my less than or equal to sign, and now I have 3x minus 10. I still need to undo the multiplication of 2y, so I will divide both sides by 2, and I divide each term by 2. The 2's cancel here, so y is now less than or equal to 3 over 2x minus 5. You can leave the fraction 3 over 2 in improper form of 3 over 2. On my next one, the 4x is positive. I undo positive with subtract. So I subtract 4x from both sides of the inequality, bringing down the negative 2y, bringing down the less than symbol, and I have a negative 4x plus 6 on the right. This time when I divide every term, I'm dividing by negative 2. And I do know that when I divide by a negative number, my inequality sign must flip. It must turn around. So I have y is greater than 2x minus 3. For the last example, we're going to do one more. The 2x is positive, so I will subtract it from both sides. I keep negative 3y greater than or equal to 9 minus 2x. Actually, I'm going to rewrite that as minus 2x plus 9. Both ways are correct. Okay. I divide by negative 3. I divide by negative 3. I divide by negative 3. Since I'm dividing by a negative, I do turn my inequality symbol around to less than or equal. Negative 2 divided by negative 3 is positive 2 over 3x, and 9 divided by negative 3 is a negative 3.